Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to cancel your pre-order on your PlayStation 4 games. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you did pre-order a game on the PlayStation 4 and you want to go ahead and cancel the pre-order, well, this is actually relatively easy to do. Now let's go on over to a web browser and bring up the policy for refunds. Now it says pre-order purchases made more than 14 days before the release date. You can request a refund at any time up until the release date of the content. Now for pre-order purchases made fewer than 14 days before the release date, you can request a refund up to 14 days after the date of purchase. So knowing this, let's go to the homepage on PlayStation.com by typing it in the address bar and then pressing enter. Now go on down to where it says support and select this. And select support. Now on the bottom right side of the screen, it should say online assistant. Open this chat window. Then you'll have to type in your first and last name. Now go to where it says start chatting. And initially you're going to be speaking to a bot. And it says, what can I help you with today? Let's go to refund eligibility. Are you the owner of the account for the PlayStation Network that was charged? Let's go to yes. And sometimes you have to repeat the answer. Now it says, could you tell me what type of purchase you would like to be refunded? Cancel pre-order. Has the game been released? Let's go to no. Now go ahead and type in your PlayStation Network ID name. Now I recently contacted PlayStation support because my account got hacked. And after providing them my ID, I had an estimated wait time of about 20 to 30 minutes on a Saturday afternoon. So if you're contacting them on an off hour, probably be like 10 minutes. And they wanted some information like my first and last name, my phone number, and my contact email that I had access to. Also, to verify my identity, they wanted my first and last 4 digits of my credit card / debit card that was used on my account. After confirming this, you should be able to get a refund for your PlayStation game. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.